In this video, I will show how to fix Xbox Game Bar voice chat not working. So click on Start, then search Xbox settings. So start, then settings. Now here click on apps, installed apps, and search Xbox. Click on this three dot and advanced options. Make sure these app permissions for camera and microphone both is on. And here in the reset, firstly try for audio and then try for permission. Once this process will complete, exit this Windows and restart. After restart, still you are facing this problem, so also you can try time and language. Make sure these both are proper and correctly. Time and this one. Also you can select here time zone automatically and set time automatically. And in the voice you should hear high. If you see, so make it high and maximum. So these are all our options you can try. Thanks for watching. And guys, comment in this video work for you.